Got some choices to make here for 21. It says a tiling costs $2.89 per square foot. What is the cost to tile a kitchen whose dimensions are 4 yards by 5 yards? Big thing to keep in mind here is we have yards here and we have feet here. So we have to convert here. So big thing to know is that there are 3 feet in 1 yard. All right. So when we're doing this, one of 2 ways we could do this. One would be 289. Well, it's square foot, so you would have to do that into a square yard. So instead of multiplying that by 3, which a lot of people would do, you actually would need to multiply that by 9 because that's the square of 3. So we could either multiply this by 9 and then take that answer and multiply it by the 4 times 5, which is going to be the dimension of that kitchen. So that would be multiplying it by 20. The other option would do 4 times 3 and 5 times 3, which is going to give us 12 times 15, and then find that area and multiply it by the 289. I'm going to go ahead and do it the first way, but both of those would work. Let's go ahead and walk through this. So first off, let's just make this into square yards instead. So how much would this be per square yard? Well, we would just need to multiply this by 9, because again, we have to square that 3 for the conversion. So what is 289 times 9? Well, 9 times 9 is 81. Carry the 8. 9 times 8 is 72, plus that 8 would give us 80. And 9 times 2 is going to give us 18, plus that 8 is going to give us, what, 26? And 2 decimal places, so put that there. So that means that it's going to be 2601 per square foot, or sorry, square yard, because we now have converted. So now we need to multiply that by the dimensions of this. Well, 4 by 5, a 4 by 5 kitchen. To find that area, you just multiply. So 4 times 5 is 20. So we have to multiply this by 20 because we have 20 square yards. It's 2601 per square yard. So multiply this by 20. That's actually easy because that means we're just essentially doubling it and putting a 0 on the end. So if I look at these answers, doubling this would be what, 52? Yeah, 52. And then we have the doubling it would make it 0.02. And then we have to add that 0 on the end. So that's actually going to move this guy over 1. So we actually going to end up with 520 and 20 cents, which is answer